Map a NumPy array of strings to integers. Problem. Given an array of string data, I would like a function that returns the indexed dataset and a lookup table. Such that is true. Note that the indexed_dataset and lookup table can both be permuted such that the above holds, and that is fine, i.e. it is not necessary that the order of lookup table is equivalent to the order of first appearance in dataset. Slow solution. I currently have the following slow solution. Is there a quicker way to do this? I feel like I am not using NumPy to its full potential here.
You can use np.unique with the return_inverse argument. If you like, you can reconstruct your original array from these two arrays. If you use pandas, lookup table, indexed_dataset equals pd.factorize dataset will achieve the same thing and potentially be more efficient for large arrays.
np.search sorted does the trick.